Performing a camera inspection at building 2011 Los Feliz Drive. This is the sewer line exit out of the building as it goes through the common area and the landscape. I'm currently 160 feet out about, and I'll be working my way back to our access cleanout. There are a few spots that are of slight concern. One is a belly, and that is in the 70-80 foot range. When I see it, I'll stop, narrate it some more, and there's also a very small root intrusion about 58 feet. Other than that, pipe looks to be of clay condition or clay material, and will eventually transition to plastic at some point. Other than that, I don't see any other problems at this time, but I will be recording and I will be narrating as we go. So I will continue, and we'll be working our way back from 160 feet to 0. Okay, here at 84 feet is our transition, and to the right side of the screen is probably building number 2025, where that ties in and connects to the main sewer line out in the common area. So from this point on, 83 feet is the sole line of building 2011. We'll continue our return to the cleanout, but shortly here, as we make the transition to PVC pipe, right about somewhere right in here, we start to see the belly effect, which means the water is pooling and standing still for the most part. The problem with this is that it tends to slow down the momentum of water and toilet paper and solids, which could eventually end up causing a stoppage. Only really way to fix this is to actually trench out the length of the belly and correct and properly compact the soil underneath it to prevent it from um, having a belly effect and causing a pool. So this is about, I'm going to say about a little over 10 feet or so, maybe 15-ish. As you can tell, we're underwater still. And we come out of the water somewhere around here, so we're actually a little bit more like 20 feet length of a belly. As you can see the water start to recede as I slightly pull the camera back, and then pushing back in, and hopefully, can't see it anymore. Unfortunately, with the water, it's dulling out my light. But right at 58 feet, there's a small root intrusion. We're in this general area here. There's a connection point right here, and you can see a small root intrusion. I'll be working my way back out. And this is in our clean out riser. We'll be exiting the main sewer pipe. And there's our access point. There's our access point. We got two cleanouts. What's called a bullhorn setup. That line goes out of the building. That line would go back in towards the building or into under the building. I'm going to go ahead and pause and move to the next building and start our recording there. Okay, part two. This is exit clean out of building number building number 2025. This is the exit clean out. We'll be working our way back. We are currently at the position where 2025 and 2011 connect together and then continue out in the common area. We'll be working our way back to the access clean out. We're about 60 feet out. And that is another connection point, I believe. If this is the next building, I'll go ahead and locate and verify and confirm and continue our way back. Building number 2025. We're at the exit clean out. These are our gas meters. And this is our clean out access coming out of the building. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next building, part 3. Alright, this is a continuation of part 3. We are building number 2023, and we are at the exit clean out in between 2023 and 2025. Sewer line does run in between the two buildings, and then between 2023, 2025, and 2011 all connect in the general same area within about 5 or 6 feet of each other. I'll be working my way back. I am about 68 feet out total, and I'll be working my way back to the clean out. I'm going to pause for 1 second so I can locate. We're going to go ahead and proceed. I'm going to pause one more time. Okay, we'll go ahead and finish up the last remaining few feet. And now we're coming up the riser. Again, this is the camera inspection for building number 2023. Camera from the exit of the building to the main the main sewer connection. 68 feet about to where they all tie in together. That's our access point. We're going to go ahead and readjust, relocate. We'll continue on with the remainder of the inspections.